Yo, you're welcome to this class. Yesterday, no be small thing, no. Nigeria saw what you never see before. What do you mean this? International level. International level. You know, say Al Jazeera, na international media channel. Now, Daniel Bwala, go there, go rob the country because some white people, we are among the audience. People watch this program all over the world. See the Bulala, when Mehdi Hassan, they shoot at Bwala. Daniel denied many things. Denied many things. Everything where he talk concerning Asiwaju, he say not talk am again. For this class, we go compare the deniers here versus what he talk before this time where he say no talk again. Indirectly, he was saying that this man, they lie. They call am fake news. There are clips now of what he actually talk. Where he should say Mehdi Hassan actually did this research before he invited Daniel Bwala. Daniel Bwala no prepare. 3 things where he carry go. Now excuses, denial, and gaslighting. Whether they use against Nigeria journalists, you know say you no go work for this man body. The more they deny, the more the man they press him. Daniel go say he go enter another question. The man go repeat time again. For this class, we go see now and before. Hope you are ready. Let's start. Okay, let's start.
In fact, in 2023, you said that he bought his election. Did he buy his election?
At the time, I thought. But when it was litigated in court, the court found out he didn't.
So you thought he was vote buying and now you don't. You thought he bought his election, now you don't. In fact, you said it was so corrupt, the 2023 election, Tinubu's win, you said that you couldn't eat food for 3 days.
They say Daniel Toh say it was so corrupt. The thing they smell for a conscience, for a soul, spirit, and body that he couldn't eat for 3 days.
I never said that. Where?
He say not talk am again, oh. MLML. He say no. He say where? Look at the facial expression now. He say where? Where? It's like you are lying against me. Where? Look at the face now. Ooh, Mehdi Hassan. Where? Wait now.
Arise.
The man just shock. It's like now like this now they do for Nigeria. Now listen how they behave. Now like this now go talk something. Now say not talk him again. He say,
Arise News, March 2nd, 2023. I became so sick for the past 3 days.
in the quarter and they give her the date.
I found it very hard eating food.
I'm sure you have a mistaken identity.
Mistaken identity. Indirectly, it be like say, no, talk cannot be me again. Calm down now.
I never said that.
You never said that you...
Wow.
I never said that. International media, when people all over the world they watch you, now they talk so. Oh, papa, why they believe mokuna come, mokuna cause it deny so. Huh? I want flag come up for you.
I not eat, win, lose or draw. You eat your food and go to bed.
And legitimate complaints were raised all over Nigeria. That part is what threw me off balance. In fact, I became so sick. For the past 3 days, I found it very hard eating food.
Una hear him? He said it to say he was so sick. 3 days no feed. Lie. They can lie. Oh, Luno Jonathan, now you go blame. You are too weak. See like propaganda. Now they run this country everywhere. Dabaru. More continue.
Tinubu is not just super rich. It's what he does with his wealth. In 2019, 2 armored money trucks.
So this place where they carry Bwala go now another place to catch him. And he don't know. Let's continue.
Were seen going into his house, coming out of his house. Where did that money go?
No. Point. Did you see the money? Or those who reported, did they see money inside the bullion van?
Was there no money in the bullion vans?
How am I to know?
You said it was money in the vans at the time.
I never
2023, February. You
how could I have known
it's
there was money
it's a tragedy that I know your words better than you do. There is a...
Una hear what he talk for there so? It be like say for instance me now, person can't know my words more than me. Good morning, sir. After 3 hours, they say, don't as I said good morning. I say, I'm not talking. The man say, now me can't know you more than you know yourself. You know, be smart, you know. We'll continue now.
Only one person in Nigeria who is alleged to have moved money through bullion vans, and that person is the person is the...
See? Say fake news. Fake news. It is a Nigeria deal. They don't use fake news. This they call fake news, AI. They scatter governance for Nigeria. This is their defense. Fake news. AI. Fake news. AI. Something where you talk. They carry and go another place now. It's not fake news.
Fake news.
Is the presidential candidate. You said that on February 17th on Channels Television 2023.
They give a date. Date.
Thank you for notifying me.
So where did the money go for the bullion bans?
There was no money inside.
So why?
It is say, after say thank you for notifying me, the man go come out for that topic. Oh. No. He was squeezed out before he enter the next question.
Did you say there was?
I said there was no money inside.
But you said, at the time you said he's the only person to have moved money in bullion bans.
When did I say that? What was the event in Nigeria?
Oh, so you were lying because it was election campaign?
No, I never said that. I say, how can you prove that just because a bull...
This deniers, the lies, the deceit, don't make me the get cough. How can Nigeria ever move forward with this kind of people? No hope. Oh. No hope. And the next generation will learn from them. Lies have been exalted above truth in Nigeria. Nothing can move forward. Lies.
van goes into a person's house and comes out that there is money inside.
Maybe because people said it was vote buying by Tinubu. Tinubu himself said, I gave money to the people. You know he said that?
Yes, I also give money
when
to
you
people
give money to
myself.
people would say that's vote buying. Politicians, rich politicians give poor
No, he
people
doesn't
money.
give money to people on election day, but he helps people.
But people at the time said it was vote buying. Do you agree with
Who
that?
are the people?
You said...
See, say people at that time. You don't say they inside the people. This man, I get brain. You know how to cash person. People at that time, Tiki, he not be part of those people. He don't know say the reason why the man they answer that question. Now because himself don't talk now.
No, I never said that.
I can't believe we're still...
He said, I never said that. Wait, oh.
You still keep walking into this. You said it was done ostensibly for vote buying. Do you agree with Daniel Boyle?
Don't they take water again? Oh. Question too much. They eat too much. Now gallons. I just zero for take fresh water out.
Or not? Please don't lift up a glass of water. On the eve of the presidential elections, two cash-laden...
It is said the man will come out from the top. He see, until you talk, I don't believe you.
Bullion vans, your words, were seen on the premises, which was ostensibly for vote buying. Your words, January 22nd, 2023. Have you just disowned everything you've said in order to work for this president?
Have you just disowned everything where you don't talk just to work for this president, just to work stomach infrastructure, just to work? You can't deny yourself, disown your own ways, degraded your own self, castigated yourself, declare yourself a liar just to work for this man.
What you just said now, I want to put it on record, on my own honor. That's not what I said.
But there is only one person in Nigeria who is alleged to have moved money through bullion vans, and that person is on their ballot as the presidential candidate. But there is only one person in Nigeria who is alleged to have moved money through bullion vans, and that person is on their ballot as the presidential candidate. But there is only one person in Nigeria who is alleged to have moved money through bullion vans, and that person is on their ballot as the presidential candidate.
See so. Now waiting talk be this way, say he no talk. He say he no talk He say he no be talk and say the man. Be like say no they talk to. Be like say they mistake her for another person. Sure. You just disown everything when you thought they tried them just to work for this man.
You just disowned everything you've said in order to work for this president. Have you just disowned everything you've said in order to work for this president? You said at the time that Tinubu started a militia to sway the election corruptly.
Another one.
And that they even threatened you. So how can we take anything seriously you say tonight in his defense?
Your opinion. Nigerians.
So my opinion is your
I'm
opinion.
coming.
Sorry,
Your
Daniel,
opinion.
that's your opinion.
That was
Now you talk
litigated in Nigeria to conclusion, and then as a country we moved on. We are more interested about the deliverables that we have for the Nigerian people, and we
Actually,
look
it's
for
not true.
opportunities.
Nigerians are very concerned about corruption. And Tinubu, you said this. Tinubu and his people created a militia. This is the first time in the history of Nigeria we've seen a political party creating a militant arm leading to election. Your words, January 2023.
Context is everything.
There is no context.
I'm coming. You are quoting the things I said
Yes.
when I was in the opposition.
And I understand that's uncomfortable for you, but
No,
you
no,
did
no,
say
no.
them.
I'm
If you want to
free.
disown them,
I'm
that's
okay
fine.
for you to ask anything I've
So
ever
does he
said.
have a militia that tried to kill you?
He doesn't have. I never said he tried to kill me.
Have you just disowned everything you said just to work for this man? Hey, God bless everybody with source of income. Oh, feed. We will not destroy ourselves. Hunger is too much. Hunger is too much. Hunger is too much. Maybe me, I will disown myself to Don Nazar. I'm not looking at Don Nazar. I will say, Don Nazar. So I go collect my house. So I go walk. Hunger is too much. Hunger is too much. Make her fresh. Make her fat. They enjoy the draft. This is why they know they rate us. They know they rate us. We sabi lie.
I myself have received threats from him and his camp. Your words.
I never said that.
And you just disown yourself, deny yourself, delete yourself just to work for this man. There is a way this man they do the thing, no. All the people who don't attack him before. There is a way go bring a come out, make they disgrace themselves. It's part of campaign. If they deny himself like this, it means say I am a liar. I work for my tummy. Therefore, the man is exonerated. Political strategy. I go learn this one. People where they talk against me for comment section sometime, I'll call employee. They say I never talk. Donala is the best of the best. Just to chop.
You didn't say that at a press conference on January 22nd, 2023. You're just denying.
I never said that.
Who said it then? Look-alike.
No, I don't know what you meant by that. I know I complained at the time.
You said
about the conduct of election.
It is not my fault that I am able to recall your words in a way you can't.
He said it is not my fault. Say I capture your words. I have them written. The way you talk, it's not my fault. Now you talk them. Now after you talk them, I call write them. I call capture them. I call record them. Now you talk them.
It will be your fault
Tinubu,
when you read it out of context. Yeah.
If we go home late tonight, context.
Yes.
Tinubu and his people created a militia. This is the first time in the history of Nigeria we've seen a political party creating a militant arm and leading to election. He advised his people should grab by all means necessary the process leading to elections, that they created this militia shortly after that. We have seen violence in Nigeria, and I myself have received threats from him and his camp.
Tinubu never created a militia. Tinubu is one of the foremost politicians in Nigerian history.
Tinubu and his
has
people
helped in strengthening
created a
democracy.
militia. Who said those words, Daniel?
Tinubu has helped in strengthening democracy in
Tinubu
Nigeria.
and his people created a militia, Daniel. Who said those
Tinubu
words?
brought
Who
in
said those
leadership
words?
After third time.
to governance.
Tinubu and his people created a militia. Who said those words?
Tinubu and his people never created the militias. That's
So why did you say they did on January 22nd, 2023?
I never said that.
I never said that.
The candidate of All Progressives Congress, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and his people created a militia. This is the first time in the history of Nigeria we are seeing a political party creating a militant arm leading to election. The candidate of All Progressives Congress, Asiwaju Bola Ahmed Tinubu, and his people created a militia. This is the first time in the history of Nigeria we are seeing a political party creating a militant arm leading to election.
Does he have a militia that tried to kill you?
He doesn't have. I never said he tried to kill me.
There is also this threat to life, and I can tell you that because I myself have received threats from Asiwaju. And there is also this threat to life, and I can tell you that because I myself have received threats.
Hi! Wait till be this. Have you just disown yourself, deny yourself, reduce yourself just to work for this man? No wonder very dark man to say some people they won't donate money and they'll come put sorrowful song behind the scene. And if I want sorrowful song, I have to put behind this video now. Who am I? Who am I? Nigeria, we don't enter one chance. One chance. One chance. Because where there is no truth, forget about it. The Bible says righteousness exalt a nation. Righteousness exalt a nation. A sin is a reproach. And he asks us again, what shall it profit a man if he gains the whole world and loses his soul?
At the weekend, you put out a video to music of you and a team researching and prepping for this show. And yet every time I've asked you something, you say, I'm not aware of that. What were you researching?
What were you researching? I pray say, now few Oyibo go watch this video. May they don't go use Boala define every Nigerian in the UK. The way where they deny himself like this, may they notice now all of us be like that too. Because all these type of things. So many people fit go interview. They think say they lie. Say, are you from Nigeria? Say, no. Now one of they deny on herself. Sure. It's funny, but it's not funny. It's a serious matter.
I'm aware. At the weekend, you put out a video to music of you and a team researching and prepping for this show. And yet every time I've asked you something, you say, I'm not aware of that. What were you researching in that video?
This man, they intelligent. Go set you up with your OS. You know, go no say, you won't carry you go your OS. You go deny, go show you the evidence. What do you think, my people? Make a drop up comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Make a sleep small. My head they pay me. Oh boy! I never seen like this before. Though.